Hi everyone. In this chart, automatically it will generate calls like a signal. Today it's a September 6 Wednesday market after 11:20. Sell call generated, red color candle open. The calls will come like a signals, like a green signal, red signal. Green signal means it's a bullish momentum, buy call. If it's a red color signal, it's a bearish momentum. So right now a bearish momentum has been started. So red color candle open. Sell at 44,651. That is our entry point line. Below our 100-point first target, 200-point second target line. Above line is the stop loss line. Daily basis automatically it will generate calls like a signal in live market. So in live market you are watching the video right now. Like that you are going to watch the chart, get the call, and you can place the order in your broker account. Manual trading as well as auto trading both are possible for this chart. Today sell call came at 44,651 and the first target is 540. Within 20 minutes of sell call generated, it has started to move in the bearish momentum. First 10 to 15 minutes, market traded in a flat momentum, but now it started to move in downside direction. After some time, market started to move in downside and break out the first target range. Like this today, sell call generated at 11:20 and break out the first target. 44,500 put option, it's a weekly option expiry. At 121, buy call started and currently trading about 250. Like this, in option chart also, the calls performed well. If you want to subscribe for this chart, for chart plan detail, send me hi message in WhatsApp. We will send you the detail in here. Thank you.